So I posted a poll on my Instagram story to see if y'all wanted me to do a tutorial on my nails, and it came back with 100% yes. So here I am today just showing y'all how I do my nails. And I pretty much always do a French tip, rounded shape, but today I just kind of felt like doing a short little square. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I'm just going to be showing y'all how I achieve it. And so I'm also in a rush because I have to go to a meeting in a little bit, so I need to hurry up and get this done. I don't have a whole lot of time, so I'm not going to be talking through the whole video. Y'all can just watch me and vibe out to the music. Right now I'm just getting the nail sizes that I need, and I'm just putting the nail on my actual nail and just kind of fitting it around to see what I need. But and so right now I am cutting the nail down to my desired length. Everything I use in this video I'm going to link down below, so just check the description box for all the details. I'm not going to be going into too much detail again in this video because again I'm rushing and I need to get out the door. Okay, so right now I'm just going to be taking my file and cleaning up my shape. And I've been doing my nails now for like 5 years or something like that. I can't tell you the last time I've been inside the nail shop to do my nails. I still go every now and then to do my pedicure, but I don't know. I like doing it at home. And it also saves money, and who don't like to save money? Doing my nails is like extremely therapeutic to me. At one point in my life, I thought I wanted to be like a nail tech, but So yeah, we're just shaping down, filing down, getting the desired look, and then okay, so now I'm taking my blue sticky tack and I'm going to be putting just a little bit on each little nail stand, and then I'm going to take the nail and stick it on there. That way, I'm able to polish on the nail. Okay, so once I got all my nails on the stand, I then go in with my drill and I drill that like shiny layer off of the nail, because if you don't roughen up the nail a little bit, your polish is going to peel off. Like once you start going about your business. And I found that out like the very first time I did like my very first set of nails, all of my polish just peeled right off. And so ever since then, I just make sure I go ahead and rough up that top, like the top layer of my nail, to give the polish something to stick to. And so I'm just going around drilling that, and then I will start applying my base coat. And so here I am getting the I guess the cuticle and basically just drilling my nails the same way they do it in the nail shop. Now, before y'all start tussling in the comments, I am not a nail tech, so if I'm doing something wrong, just mind your business, okay? Like, I'm not formally trained, if you will. I'm just self-taught, and it works for me, so hey. And so now I'm just dusting off the nail to get any of that extra dust off. Alright, so now we're about to start going in with our base coat. Once my base coat has been applied, I'm then going to go in with our Cover Pink color, and this is the one I've been using. I got this from Sally's. I used to use a different one before. I didn't even think to show y'all the one I used before, but this one's been working just fine. So yeah, right now I'm about to just go in and apply 2 coats of gel polish, curing in between each coat, of course. Okay, so once we have both coats of our Cover Pink, I'm just going to go in with an alcohol swab and wipe off that sticky layer from the gel polish. That way when I go in with my French tip, it doesn't just slide right off. It needs like that tacky layer of the gel polish won't allow the next color of polish to stick to it. I hope that makes sense, y'all. I'm in a rush, so I'm really trying to just hurry up and explain this. And yeah, because I gotta go. All right, so I got my acetone. I'm gonna start setting up my little station for to start applying the French tip. This is my brush I'm using. I also have some lint-free wipes. This is my white gel polish we're going to be using. Again, everything will be linked down below if y'all, All right, and so now for the fun part, I'm going to be going in and showing y'all how I achieve my French tip. Now, usually, when I do my French tips, I usually do 2 coats of the white, but I'm in a rush today. I don't have time. I just need to get this on my nails so I can be out the door. But usually, yes, I will do 2 coats of white so that that French really pops. But yeah, today I only got 1 coat in. Okay, so once my tips are on, I then go in with another alcohol wipe and wipe off the tacky layer again. And then I go in with my top coat, and usually I apply usually I apply 2 layers of top coat, but you already know we rushing, so I don't have time for all that. So once my top coat is on, I then do another wipe of alcohol just to remove any stickiness or any, that tacky layer. And I then pop the nails off of the stand and then remove all of the sticky tack. And then I'm going to show y'all how I make my press-ons last for like 2 or more weeks. Like the longest I've worn them was like 3 weeks, and I don't like the way new growth look on a nail. That's like so I had to pop them off. But if I really wanted to, I could have worn them like probably a month. But yeah. Okay, so here's the trick to how I get my press-ons to last so long. I wipe underneath the nail. First, you got to remove all of the tacky residue. And then you go in with your drill and you want to roughen up the underside of your nail. So you're going to have your natural nail roughened up, and then you're going to have the press-on roughened up. And so what that'll do is that'll help that glue to really like get in there and give the nail something to stick to. And so if you do that, I promise you, like, your nails are going to last like 3 weeks. They're going to last really long. And y'all, I work a lot with my nails. I'm really hard on my hands and on my nails, and my nails, they stay. So just as good as acrylic. So don't sleep on press-on nails, okay, girl? Don't sleep on them. But the key to having a good set of press-on nails is really all in the prep work. Like, it's really about how you prep the nail, prep the press-on, and yeah, that's the main thing. As long as you have a good prepping, then your nails are gonna last. So yeah, and then I'm just going in with my glue and we popping them on, and then we are out the door. Okay, girl? So thank y'all for watching. If y'all have any questions, leave them down below. Leave me a comment. Like, I want to talk to y'all. What's up? So anyway, thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.